guys, welcome to Learning Hub. Today we will learn about the most interesting and most important topic from the data structures, that is selection sort. So let's start. First of all, to solve any kind of problem related to the selection sort, we have to follow this algorithm steps. So the step 1 of the algorithm is set mean to location 0. Whatever the unsorted array is provided to us, at the 0th location, whatever the element is present, we have to set that element at the mean position. Step 2, search the minimum element in the list. In between the remaining elements in the array, we have to search for the minimum element. Step 3 is swap with value at location mean. That value is swapped with the mean value. The minimum value is exchanged with the min value. Step 4, increment min to point to next element. And step 5 is repeat until list is sorted. Got confused? Don't worry. We will sort this with an example. Yeah. So here is a best example to understand how we solve the problems related to the selection sort. So in the example, unsorted list is given to us. This is an unsorted list. So according to the steps of the algorithm, in the first step, what they have told us that whatever element is present at the 0th location, set that element to the mean. Means mean element is equal to 23. In this example, mean element is 23. And now what is the next step? In the rest of the list, find out the smaller element. So leaving this element, which is the smaller element in the rest of this list, that is 8. So in the second step, 8 is smaller element in the list. So what we have to do? Swap 23 with element 8. See here, we have done that step. We have sorted 8 with 23. Now this part has become sorted and this part has become unsorted. Understand? Now what is the fourth step they have given? मीन एलिमेंट का लोकेशन जब 0 लिया था हमने, अब वो लोकेशन नहीं लेना, अब हमें वो लोकेशन by 1 आगे बढ़ाना है. Means now if we have taken the location 0 at first, now we'll take the first location. This was 0th index. Now we have to take first index, the index element at the position first. So we'll do that in next step. So now pass 2. Now in the previous slide, what was the second location? What was the element at the second location? That was 78. So here we have taken minimum element is equal to 78. And in the rest of the part, now we have selected minimum element as 78. And in the rest of the part, what is the smaller element? That is 23. So now see here, minimum element is 78 and 23 is smaller element in the remaining unsorted list. So what we have to do is swap 23 with element 78. Now we have swapped 23 over here with element 78. Now this part has become sorted and this is bit unsorted. Okay. Now next step is what? Pass 3. That is, now set the mean location at the location number 2. This was location 1. This was 0. This was 1 and this is 2. Now the main element at the location 2 is, see over here, in the previous, we have to follow the previous list. Main element is 45 and check for the smaller element in the remaining unsorted list. So we have considered main element is equal to 45 and 32 is smaller element in the remaining unsorted list. So what we have to do? Just swap 32 with element 45. See now, this we have done over here. 8, 23, 32 has came here and in the place of 32 we have swapped 45. Okay. Now this is unsorted part. This is sorted part. Next is pass 4. Now in the previous slide, these two elements are left over here. Now what will be our minimum element? It will be 78. Means third location. We will jump to one step ahead. Okay. Now we'll take this location. At this location the element is 78. So according to these steps, main element is 78 and in between these two elements, 45 is smaller element. Okay, so according to the next step of algorithm, 45 is smaller element in the remaining unsorted list. So swap 45 with element 78. So we have taken over here 45 and we have swapped there 78. Now 8, 23, 32, 45 and 78. This is all in the ascending order. This is known as the sorted array. This is sorted array we have got by the method of selection sort. Okay. Nothing we have to do. We have to just follow the steps of this algorithm. I have given it in easy way. Just follow it and try to solve the sums by on your own. Okay. Thank you for watching.